Hey, home cooks! Want to make a southern chili that'll knock your socks off? Let's dive into this delicious recipe. First up, grab your largest Dutch oven or pot and heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. Toss in 1 diced yellow onion, 1 diced green bell pepper, and a finely diced jalapeno if you like a bit of a kick. Sauté those veggies for about 5 minutes until they're nice and soft. Now, add 3 to 4 minced garlic cloves and cook for another minute until you get that wonderful garlicky aroma. Next, it's time for the meat. Add 1.5 pounds of ground beef or a mix of beef and pork to the pot. Break it up with a spoon and cook until it's beautifully browned. Make sure to drain any excess grease to keep things from getting too oily. Now let's bring in the spices. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and if you're feeling brave, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cook those spices for 1-2 minutes to really let them bloom. Pour in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Give it a good stir. Time to add the rest of the ingredients. 1 cup of beef broth, 1 tablespoon each of Worcestershire sauce and BBQ sauce, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Don't forget the beans. Add a 15-ounce can each of kidney beans and pinto beans, both drained and rinsed. Stir everything together. Bring your chili to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and let it simmer for at least 1-2 hours, stirring occasionally. The longer it simmers, the better it gets. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve it up hot with your favorite toppings like shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream, chopped onions, or some good old cornbread. And there you have it, southern chili that's sure to impress. Remember, fresh spices and a touch of liquid smoke can really elevate the flavors. Enjoy your cooking, and I'll see you next time.